I actually quit my comfortable day job and I gave myself 3 months in order to get some indication that the company was going to be successful in the form of financing. And when I first started the company, I was not sure if anybody would fund it. I didn't know if it was actually going to be a company. And having that first investor really enabled me to feel like we have something here. But I think one of the biggest challenges for a founder like me is when you have a really strong technical background, but you have absolutely no business experience at all. And so I really struggled with trying to learn what it meant to start a company, learning the vocabulary that investors were looking for. And one of the things that I've really appreciated about True is that they have really brought that knowledge to their individuals. They are extremely founder-friendly, and they really walk the walk. There are fellow programs, there are introductions that are made within their network, there are classes, there's a camp that all the founders go to. So I think True Ventures does an amazing job of trying to connect founders with each other. As most of us founders are going through some of the same struggles, it's really nice to at least have somebody else to lean on and to have that support. It's not just about a great idea or great technology or some breakthrough thing that you figured out. It's about how do you bring that into people's lives, and that takes a lot more than just the science. So for me, one of the biggest challenges was, how do I build a company that enables us to bring this really early stage concept into a line of actual products that can benefit mankind?